Here's a story about how Gino Terentim earned his ExperimentR badge from Lean Change. Once upon a time, in a rapidly digitizing world of education, our hero, the innovative educator, was battling high-course dropout rate demons. Armed with the power of ideas and a hypothesis swords, the educator hypothesized, could shifting to a dynamic podcast-like format across various platforms keep students hooked to the courses, just like the latest thriller on Netflix? With the goal of slaying the dropout rate dragon, 50%, the educator embarked on the adventure of running 3 short courses in this new podcast-style format. Echoing through LinkedIn's echo chamber, the podcast magnet attracted not just the usual suspects, but curious new participants who'd never thought of setting foot into traditional courses. As the first results rolled in, the dropout post-first class rates significantly dwindled. The educator celebrated the victory, but there was a twist. The first-class attendance wasn't impacted. However, the education landscape rippled with the educator's efforts, earning the coveted Top Voice in Management badge on LinkedIn. Unforeseen treasures were uncovered and lessons were learned. Shortening classes to bite-sized portions indeed made it easier to digest, reducing later-stage dropouts. While the new format didn't impact initial attendance, it ushered in a wave of new learners and community recognition. Next on our hero's quest is the land of gamification, intending to sprinkle magic dust over first-class attendance rates using the Octalysis framework. Meanwhile, the weapon of cross-platform short videos is being sharpened to extend the educator's reach and influence. Congratulations, Gino, on earning your ExperimentR badge. As the lights dim, we watch in anticipation of the next act in this pioneer's journey towards reimagining education.